Welcome. Settle into a comfortable position, either sitting upright with ease or lying down fully supported. Close your eyes gently and allow your hands to rest naturally. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it softly at the top and exhale through your mouth, letting your shoulders fall. And take another deep inhale, filling your belly and chest. Pause for a moment, and then exhale slowly, emptying everything out. And with each breath, feel yourself arriving fully in this moment. And now, in your mind's eye, imagine a doorway in front of you. Now it could be made of wood, stone, light, or something entirely unique to you. This doorway is the entrance to your sanctuary, a place that exists only for you, a place of safety, peace, and renewal. So step forward in your imagination and open the door. And as you cross the threshold, notice what you see. Perhaps it's a room filled with soft cushions and gentle light. Perhaps it's even a lush garden, full of flowers and flowing water. Or is it even a temple, ancient and quiet, where the air itself feels sacred? So whatever appears, just trust it. This is your inner sanctuary. So take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, explore this space. Notice the colors, the textures, and even the light. Notice the sounds, perhaps birds, water, or even silence itself. Notice the temperature, the way the air feels on your skin. Every detail is exactly as it needs to be, created just for you. So now, find a place within your sanctuary to sit or rest. It may be a soft chair, a patch of grass, or even a stone bench. Because here you are safe, and here you are whole, and here nothing can disturb your peace. So take a slow inhale and imagine breathing in the energy of this place. It fills you with calm, with ease, and with quiet strength. And then exhale and release any tension into the sanctuary. And then it dissolves instantly, leaving only peace behind. And now bring your attention to your heart. Imagine it glowing gently, like a small flame or a radiant jewel. And with each breath, this light grows even stronger, brighter, and more expansive. It spreads through your chest until you're glowing with the light of your own sanctuary. And if any worries or thoughts arise, see them dissolve into this light, as though they're shadows fading into the sunrise. Nothing heavy can survive here. Only peace remains. So rest here for a few breaths, simply being present in your sanctuary. So let your mind quiet, and let your body soften, and let your spirit remember its wholeness. So now, take a moment to invite a message from this place. It might come as a word, an image, a feeling, or a simple sense of knowing. And whatever arises, trust that it is the wisdom of your sanctuary, offered only to help you. So breathe it in and let it settle in your heart, and know that you can return here anytime. So for the next few breaths, simply sit in stillness, bathed in light and surrounded by peace, at home in your inner sanctuary. And now, begin to bring your awareness back. Feel the ground beneath you. And take a slow inhale and exhale with a gentle sigh. And when you're ready, imagine yourself standing, walking back towards the doorway. Pause just for a moment, knowing you can return whenever you wish. And then step through, closing the door gently behind you. And now bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. And then exhale slowly, releasing fully. And now wiggle your fingers and toes. and then roll your shoulders softly. And when you feel ready, open your eyes now, carrying the calm of your sanctuary into the world. And know this, your sanctuary is always within you. One breath, one thought, and one moment of stillness, and you're home again. Namaste.